Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and today I'm actually going to be doing a morning skincare routine for you guys. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell icon if you want to get a notification every single time that I upload a video. So without further ado, let's just get on into the video. I'm actually going to be doing a skincare routine for you guys. As you can see, I just got out of the shower and I figured why not do a morning skincare routine. Like I said, I did just take a shower, and in the shower I washed my face with this Cetaphil. I love it. It's super like gentle on my face. And then I also use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Exfoliating Cleanser. I will link everything in the comments below for you guys. So I don't exfoliate my face every day. I probably do it like every other day. So the first thing that I do in my skincare is I just put my hair up, typically in like either like a low ponytail or like a low bun, and then I put a headband on just to keep it from getting all in my hair. And since I did just wash my face, the first thing that I'm actually going to go in with is this Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. It can be really drying on your face, so just be like super careful. I don't use it like morning and night. I only use it in the morning. And it is just supposed to help reduce like the pore sizes. So I typically do that. And then I wait for that to dry and I brush my teeth. I go in with this, it's this Botanix like softening cleanser. And I typically will take this and just put that like all over my face. So my morning skincare and my night skincare are like different. I don't use as much product at night as I do in the morning. So I will do like a night skincare routine for you guys as well, because it's just as important. And then on top of that, I go in with this, it's this Botanix Hydrating Eye Cream. I don't know if you guys could see. And I take like a little dab and just put it underneath my eyes. This helps just like reduce like the bags under your eyes and like the darkness and stuff, which I get a lot of because I'm a college student, so I'm very stressed all the time. All right, and then on top of that, this is my favorite moisturizer that I've like used so far. I have a really hard time finding moisturizer. It's either like too thick or doesn't like last very long. Like my skin will just get dry really fast. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day Night Mask. And it's made with rose water, which if anyone like knows me, knows I'm like obsessed with stuff that's made with rose water. I think it smells so good. So I take it on my hands and then I just put it on my face. Obviously, because how else would I put it on there? So now that that is in, I lastly go in with this Botanix. It's 100% organic, and it's made with rosehip, which is just like a really soft oil for your face. So I take this and lastly you just put it on my face to add just like some extra moisture on top of everything else. As you guys can see, I use like 3 of the Botanix products. I've been using them for a few months now, and I'll wash my hands. I've been using the Botanix products for a few months now, and I really like it. The eye cream and the serum have probably been my favorite. The serum is like a lot. There's definitely another serum that I use that I'm actually out of currently, is my all-time favorite. It's like a lot lighter on the skin. I will link that one down below also. And then I typically just let this sit on my face for a little bit before I do my makeup. And then I will also go in with this Garnier Skin Active like soothing mist. It's the same brand as the moisturizer. It's also made with rose water. Just to like set it, and then I typically just let it sit, do like my morning workout or something like that, and then wash it all off and do my makeup. So thank you guys so much for listening and being a part of my morning skincare routine, and I will see you guys soon for my nighttime one.